Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can connect your MongoDB database directly to your React or front-end application using MongoDB Realm. So let's get started. First of all, we'll create a React application. So I have just edited the app a little bit. It looks something like this. After that, we will create a new project inside MongoDB. Let's just say I'm going to call it. So I'm just going to call it YT MongoDB. After creating the project, we will create a cluster. So what we can do is we can go inside our Realm app and we will create our new Realm application. Here you can select the cluster. Since we only have one cluster, I'm going to select that. After that, I'm going to name my Realm application, and then from here you can select the region. After that, click on create. After creating the Realm application, the first thing that you need to do is go inside the authentication tab and switch on the allow users to log in anonymously. We want to enable this so that we can access it from any application now. After that, you can just disable or use any other method. After enabling it, click on save. Then click on deploy. After deploying it, go inside the rules section, add the database from where you want to get the data, and select the collection. Make sure to check the right field and click on save and then deploy. So after doing all that, now we can create our Realm function, and so what we can do is we can come over here inside the functions tab, and then we can create a new function. I'm just going to call it get all data. After that, you go inside the function editor, and here basically we write the function. I'm just going to keep this thing, remove everything else, and just keep this thing. In here you put the name of the database and the collection name. In place of this, we can just write collection.find, and this will basically get all the data that is inside the database. After that, you can click save and then deploy. Now to actually use the Realm app inside your front-end application or React application, what we are going to do is we are going to install the SDK. So I'm just going to npm install Realm Web. After doing that, what you can do is you can just copy all this code and then paste it. After that, in place of the ID, you have to put the ID of your Realm application. To get the ID of your Realm application, what you can do, go back to the Realm tab, and from here you can copy the Realm ID. We're just going to put it inside a function. Inside use effect and call it. After that, what you can do is we will import useState and useEffect. We will use useState to actually store the data that we will get from the database. So here you will write the name of the function that you created inside the functions tab inside your Realm application. After that, I can just use the map function to actually get the names of the restaurants. After that, now if I run my application, I will be able to see all the names right here. So that was it for this video. Hope you were able to follow all the steps, and yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.